Hi, I'm Lesley, Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio, and we're about to talk about the control balance on the mat, which is probably one of my favorite exercises on the mat. Also because it incorporates so much. It's like a grand finale exercise. It's not the last exercise on the mat, but it's pretty cool. So if you were struggling with control balance on the mat, what I would suggest is you actually practice some of the other exercises on the mat. I would practice single straight leg stretch. I would practice tree on the reformer. I would practice open leg rocker. I would practice boomerang. I would practice crab. All before you criticize yourself on your control balance, because all those other exercises are going to make control balance really accessible for you. I would also, jackknife would be so good to practice if you're really trying to make this exercise work, because you have to have as much reach up and away. It is not about the leg reaching forward, which is very similar to your single straight leg stretch. So let's talk about the control balance, and then I'll talk about the different things that you can use to help you get better at it. One, you'll be lying on your back. Your legs are parallel. They come over. We don't need them to hang on us because obviously, as you can hear my voice, that's like slouching. So we're trying to lift our sit bones to the sky. Then our arms come over. They're connected to our back, and they grab one leg. Now this leg I'm holding on to is not trying to reach down. It's trying to reach beyond my head. And notice how my arms aren't resting on the ground. That's too easy. They're actually up here, so I'm balancing on my tripod, my head and my shoulder girdle. I got lots of space between my neck. Now this leg up here is not reaching forward, it's reaching up. And notice how it reaches up. It takes all of me up so that I have a much longer flexion, right? Then when I switch, it's key that this leg reaches away and this leg reaches up. If this leg reaches forward, I'm falling forward. If this leg reaches down, I'm falling down. So I've got to reach my legs in two directions while I constantly keep my center working so that I have something to stand on. And you do like 3 to 4 switches each side. Then you bring both legs together. You're going to roll up and you're going to try to stand up with your legs parallel, which is such a difficult thing to do. So, highly recommend you practice that. Now, how do you make that happen? Well, you have to be really good at your single straight leg. If you're letting this leg fall on your single straight leg, notice what happens. I'm not connected, right? But if this leg is reaching and this leg is going up, if someone were to push on this leg, I would come up here. If someone were to pull on this leg and I was connected, I could go into my control balance, right? So if you are struggling with this exercise, go back to this one and just see how connected you are. If someone can move on this leg or move on this leg and nothing changes in your body, that's a sign that you're disconnected and you're just doing the choreography, not the connection and the strength of the exercise. If you are doing open leg rocker, right, you are basically keeping the shape of your spine the way you would need to if you were doing your control balance, right? It's the same shape. So it's just something. And then jackknife will really help teach you how high up you can go and stand on your head and your shoulders. So try to do control balance. And if you're struggling with it, go, okay, now I'll go practice my single straight leg stretch. I'll go practice my jackknife. I'll practice my rolling like a ball or my open leg rocker. All of those things are going to make control balance so fun. Also, it comes at the end of the mat for a reason. You need all of those exercises to help you do the control balance. You can't just show up and do it. It doesn't always work that way. So, if you have questions about it, please ask them below. I love helping you. And if you want to enjoy that in a weekly class with me, join me at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do the mat in 30 minutes and the control balance will show up and really give you a lot to think about. You're going to feel super good when it's over. I'm Lesley Logan. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in class, hopefully every week. Have a great day.